Did you know setting up targeted offers for past customers is an easier way to get more Etsy sales? This is because if they already purchased your product and they love it, getting a second yes from them is a lot easier. In today's video hack, I'm going to show you how to set up a targeted offer to encourage buyers to continue doing business with you. And the most importantly, build customer retention. As a business owner, your main objective is to generate new leads, turn those leads to more sales, and extend the lifetime value of your customers. When you're able to do this, you will go from struggling to building a sustainable business for years to come. So let me show you how to set it up. All right, to set up your targeted offer, all you need to do is log into your Etsy store, go to your dashboard, click on marketing, and then from there, click on sales and discounts, and this window is gonna auto-populate for you. We're gonna be concentrating on this one here, on the thank you offer. So go ahead and click on setup. From here, it's gonna give you three options, but again, we're working on this one. This is automatically a thank you discount that's sent automatically to the customer after their order has been shipped to thank them for their business. Now in here, you're able to either give them a percentage off, a fixed amount off, or free standard shipping on their next order. So go ahead and pick the one that you prefer. You're able to do 5% all the way to 70%. So it's really up to you which one you want to give. And then do a promo code. So you could say thank you, thanks, whatever code you want to enter. Now keep in mind, you're able to do this for customers in the last 90 days. So if you have not done this before and you want to include those people, you could just have this is by default checked, or you could just start doing this for future customers. It's really up to you. And you also have the option to set up an order minimum option. So they have to spend a certain amount of money in order to be able to use the discount. So I don't really set this up. I like to just give the discount for whatever they want to purchase. Once you're happy, go ahead and create one offer, and automatically this is sent to customers. There's nothing else that you have to do. It's sent by emails and in the notification dashboard. But this is how easy it is to set up targeted offers to get repeated customers.